Hello, this is Nitin Dahad with the Times. I'm now speaking to Keyur Halari, who is with Intel. Keyur, hello, how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm fine. Well, you've got some big announcements this week, and one of them comes under your area.
Yes, we have very exciting announcement around Clearwater Forest product. That's our next generation Xeon E product, and it's branded as Xeon 6 Plus, and it brings a ton of new innovations to market. It starts with new transistors built on 18A. That's a 2 nanometer class process that has been researched, developed, and
It's the ribbon
manufactured in the
FET,
US.
the gate
Ribbon
all
FET,
round. Yeah,
yeah. So very exciting technology there. We are also using the next generation packaging technology called 3D Forwards,
correct. Yeah,
and so that allows you to pack 2x the compute in the same package.
yeah.
It is built on the same family as what we announced last year, which is Sierra Forest. So everything that customer has built in terms of systems, it's all compatible with that
Yeah,
in terms of both software and hardware.
yeah.
And then on top of that, we are introducing a newer core architecture with Clearwater Forest. It brings in double-digit IPC improvements, a lot more new features, ISA improvements targeted for targeted use cases, built-in acceleration capabilities. So it's a very exciting product
And
for
I mean, the visual that you showed us basically showed the all the elements and the packaging, and it's using the power via technology
backside
as
power
well,
via,
which
yeah.
the backside power. So all of this is quite new for like in terms of in production, isn't it?
It is. It is. It's all coming together for Clearwater Forest. That's the exciting thing about Xeon 6 Plus is this is the first product on the server side taking advantage of all these new technologies, and we are very excited to see how they are all converging well to deliver better TCO for our customers.
I mean, six versus 6E, Xeon 6 versus 6E. What's the naming, and what can your customers see as advantages of upgrading? I guess.
Sure. So again, the 6 Plus is basically branding name selected for Clearwater Forest. The reason we have selected that is because it's part of the same platform as what we had on Granite Rapids SP,
Yeah.
as well as Sierra Forest. The the biggest value prop for our customers is they don't have to redesign the whole hardware and software to get to Clearwater Forest. They can leverage a lot of those existing work that they have done. We wanted to signal that with 6 Plus. And so that is the main idea behind the platform.
And what kind of benefits can they get from upgrading?
Yeah, so
And
with
what is the
the
upgrade path as well?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So as we highlighted in our presentation with the 3D Favros technology and 18A and backside power via, we are able to pack in like 288 core in single socket
Yeah.
compared to 144 we had on that. So that's number one. We also improved the memory subsystems all the way starting from like caches that we had on the prior generation versus what we have on this one. They are significantly revamped.
Yeah.
We also have a much higher memory bandwidth with the 12 channels, and then on top of that, you have up to 8,000 mega transfer per second speed support.
Mm.
So when you put together as a compute subsystem, it's a very powerful.
Yeah.
On top of that, you have up to 96 lanes of PCIe Gen 5 baked in.
Yeah.
So your IOs can run at a line rate without throttling.
Okay. And
And so what that means
yeah.
for customers is they can pack double the compute
Got
in
it.
the same system
Yeah.
and then do server consolidation.
Yeah. It's the performance per watt that they're
Performance per watt.
basically in
Yep.
that same TDP. Is that
Correct.
right? Okay.
Correct.
And your target for this is very sort of specific. It's a tier one, tier two cloud service providers, but 5G telco as well.
5G telco.
And you said emerging storage market. Just
Correct.
tell us about anything you want to highlight there.
Yeah, so basically the idea is that we see a set of use cases in the industry. They are very synergized towards having more cores, higher density, and better performance per watt. And they are also the workload that are very sensitive to their TCO. So the idea with the Clearwater Forest is because you have the 2x the compute that you can pack in the same power, or sorry, in the same socket, you are able to now do like more work with the less servers.
Okay.
So it's the idea around that, and then the fact that you have more cores with the more efficient memory subsystem. The next generation of software stack that is more optimized around microservices based architecture
Yeah, for the
can
5G,
scale well.
for the telcos. Okay, interesting. What are the big challenges in the industry at the moment?
Yeah, so the industry is facing like data growth is significant from telco perspective. It's a traffic growth.
Yeah,
They are saying more users coming up online,
yeah,
and they have to support now higher data throughput.
okay.
And so to deliver that, they need to kind of scale their systems. At the same time, they are faced with a limited budget for power and space, and so they need to deliver.
That's a problem everywhere.
Exactly. And so they have to figure out a way to pack more with
Yeah,
less.
okay.
They have to make sure that at the same time they don't take their eye off from the security.
Yeah,
So they have to deliver very secure, zero tolerance, and high reliable systems.
yeah.
And they have to do it without rewriting the whole code. So it's a very real challenge for them. And with the Xeon architecture with x86 and then E-core packing more compute, you can deliver that in a very seamless fashion.
Now, I mean, the whole buzz I've been getting here is quite a lot of positivity within Intel here and excitement. What's exciting you at the moment, and how do you feel?
So I've been with Intel for more than 20 years.
Yeah.
I've seen technology going through different transformation.
Yeah.
I see with a lot of new technologies coming into the play with packaging, with the process node, as well as the compute roadmap shaping up really nicely. We are well set up to kind of deliver really good innovation in the market. And then with the Lip-Bu being on as a CEO, he's really driving required transformation within industry and Intel.
Without him even being here, I think I could feel the sense of purpose here.
It is, yeah. We've been feeling that since last couple of years with the whole 5 nodes and 4-year. With the good momentum around process node side of the work
Yep.
that we have done and the packaging side, feel very positive about the
Well,
computer roadmap.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.